All right, so the day that is recognized as Mother's Day is around the corner because I said to someone, I celebrate my mother every day. But it's time now for us to step out and show up by making extra special dishes for our mom. So Chef Dave Paul is here to give us some lunch and dinner ideas that you can prepare at home or have him cater to her to say I love you. Chef, morning.
Good morning.
And I'm still in Sakina, you know, one of the hottest chef around. The plates to die for.
I said people stress you out on Friday time and you have to like cook for
stress.
15 million people and them something there.
A good stress is part of the business, you know. You want to cater to people, you want to ensure say your thing up.
Well, you are branded to high heaven, so it's not like if we could forget your name. Tell us about when you started and why.
I started over 7 years, and it's based on a passion for food. You realize the impact food have on people around the world, different tastes, different, everybody have different tastes, but so based on what you eat or what you consume and different places you go, you get a different experience.
Okay.
So based on that, I venture into that world, try to cater to everybody, most people, I should say. You can't cater to everybody.
That's true.
Right. But you try to grab as much palate, as much taste buds you can, and just go out there and do your best.
You definitely came out this morning with all of these. So walk us through what's happening here in each of these.
So I prepared these ahead of time because they're pressed of time. So what we have right here, the first meal is pan-seared guava. Pan-seared guava jerk salmon with diced herb potatoes. We have some spicy mac and cheese and some sauteed veg. So these are some ideas you can do for Mother's Day. You can just get as creative as you want. Surprise mommy, do something nice.
Next plate.
And then next plate. Next one we have pimento coconut stuffed chicken breast. And the chicken breast is stuffed with, we use callaloo, some ripe plantain, some veg, and I look up some mango.
Plantain in the chicken, that is what you call bossy. And this is lasagna?
Yeah, well, this is served with sweet potato
mash,
pumpkin mash, and some sauteed veg. The other meal we have right here is jerk chicken lasagna, and it's served with garlic parmesan bread.
Okay, so if we're making these, how long do we need? Like, what time we must start them?
Preferably.
How long before she eat? Right, how long before she eat?
Depends on what time she want eat. And alright, for the salmon it would take anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes.
To get everything on the plate prepared.
Well, I'm talking chef time now.
Oh, okay. That's not our time. If it's you cooking it, try about 2 hours before we start.
No, not this. You can prep these stuff ahead and then, put together all the meals you want, put together everything, and then you can just present it.
Chef, since I don't want to do the prepping and all that, how do we get in touch with you to have this done for our mothers?
You can contact me at 433-5904. You can check me out on Instagram at Chef Dave Paul. Or you can just send me an email, chefdavepauլ@gmail.com.
Are you booked out for Mother's Day?
Very booked out, actually.
Let's just say that from now. So if it's Mother's Day, only messaging him for don't bother.
Right. Also, you can check us out. We have different meals available for Mother's Day, pre-Mother's Day, this Friday and Saturday coming. Also,
and there's an event coming up, the lawn.
Yeah, the lawn that's on Sunday.
That's the Mother's Day Sunday. So
Mother's Day Sunday.
So we can actually come and get some of your food.
You can come to the lawn and check it out. We have other events coming out, Morning Bliss and all the other events.
Make the show done and me not taste
man, they can
all right, Chef, thank you so much for coming.
All right, and I want to take this time out to big up all the mothers out there, My mommy, especially down at Doy and Mango Valley St. Mary. Big up everybody. Grandma, auntie, everybody. Big up everybody, all the mothers out there.
Yeah, man, I'm lost for words. Because the food is...
The interview done on some more eat. It would have nice if you would have just wrap it so we can go.
Thanks for joining us. Thank you for joining us and bringing a meal for Sakina and I.
Thanks so much. I might
be right back.